Every time I get a new package, I feel like it's Christmas.
Hey YouTube. Okay, today we are back with a different kind of video. This is more like a tech savvy video, right? And what I mean by tech savvy video is because I have my M1 MacBook Pro hooked up to two, which is the dual monitors, which you cannot do with an M1 MacBook Pro. Apparently, Apple thought it was a genius, because you know Apple think that they know it all, that they made it limited so that we only have one extended monitor instead of two. So luckily the techs did what they had to do, and they thought of a way that we could have two dual monitors. So I'm here to show you how I did it exactly. Don't worry, everything will be linked down below into my description box, including the desk, because this is a stand-up desk. And the monitors, I don't think you guys want my MacBook because it's old. But I just want to show you guys the Carfax. Because, you know, some people be lying on here. And I'm not the type of person that's going to lie on here. So, yeah. I have a M1 2020 13-inch MacBook Air with the M1 chip. Okay? That's the proof. The proof is in the pudding, baby. Okay? So, now, with that being said, what's controlling these two dual monitors is this baby right here. I'm going to bring her out. This baby right here. So, this is hooked up to the two dual monitors. That's why you have the cord going this way and it's a cord going that way. And then this is hooked up into my MacBook, right? And this is the brand Targus. I'm assuming it's pronounced. Okay. And this is their USB-C dual docking station. This is how I am able to control two monitors with my MacBook. Now, it does have all these different ports for like USB, USB-C, da-da-da. I'm a real simple kind of girl. I like to keep it nice and simple. But it also has a USB port that comes out that's like stuck in there. So yeah, this whole setup cost, I want to say, between the docking station and the two monitors was about $300. So yeah, I don't want to say it's budget friendly, but it kind of is budget friendly, because I'm not gonna lie to you guys, the monitors was on sale. These are LG, the 27-inch LG. I didn't really care about like the specs of it, because I really just wanted this to do work. Like, I'm not doing like editing videos on this. So I really just wanted it to get like work done and be able to multitask. So I didn't really care about like 4K, all that crazy. I didn't care. I just needed to be able to multitask, and it's doing what it got to do, and it's beautiful to me. But listen, you can always upgrade. Just please make sure that the monitor is compatible with your MacBook. Okay? Please make sure that the monitor is compatible with your MacBook, because I was going to buy these Samsung monitors, and then somebody had told me make sure it's compatible, and I looked it up and it wasn't compatible. I had to change it to the LG, because the LGs are the ones that's compatible. So if you don't want to get these, please just make sure you do your homework, avoid everything. And y'all already know I got everything from Best Buy, because I'm a Total Tech member, and everything that I buy comes with a 2-year warranty on it, baby. So yeah, all my electronics, I try my best to get it from Best Buy, so that I don't gotta worry about if it break down on me. But yeah, anyway, so I just want to show you guys the monitors. Okay, and it has its own like dock right here at the bottom. It's like bomb.com. And yeah, this is, they're both the same exact monitor, but we'll just call this monitor ReviewMyLifeNYC. Monitor 1. There you go, we'll call this Monitor 1. Okay. And as you can see, it do what it gotta do. That's all I care about. As long as it do what it gotta do, that's all I really care for. Honestly and truly. And it makes this noise. And then we have monitor number 2. Or was that 1? 2, 1, whatever. Okay, so we have monitor number 2. And I love how I could just expand it to fit the actual size of the monitor, because it comes on here naturally as the size of my MacBook, which they're 2 different completely sizes. This is the 13-inch. This is 27. So yeah, I'll be having to, like, you know, stretch it out, you know? And yeah.
And it makes this noise.
So yeah. It's legit. It's the real deal. So if you're somebody who, even if you just have like an office job that, oh, and then on top of that, this is a third screen, baby. Yes, it is. This is a third screen. This is where I do my typing. I don't want like an extra keyboard and an extra mouse. That's just my personal preference. I personally don't really care for it because I still like to be able to open up things and do things on my MacBook, you know? So as far as like actually, like, you know, but yeah, this is the MacBook view. Then we have these 2 different views, and yeah, you get the working. You get the working on here, you know. And it's doing 3 completely different things. This one is on TikTok. This one is on Google. This one's on Google, but a different Google, you know. And then the way that I disconnect from the 2 screens, which I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I'm not even sure if this is like the best way to do it. I honestly just take it out of my MacBook, and then the 2 screens cuts off, and then it's gonna show like no signal, and then it's gonna cut off. So that's the way that I do it. I had to download the DisplayLink also on my computer so that when it is plugged up, it shows up on the corner of my MacBook and it says DisplayLink when it's connected, but it's not connected right now because I took them out and they're black. So yeah, if you know a better way of like disconnecting the screens, listen, I'm open to information. You know what I'm saying? I'm open to learning, but this is just what I do. This is just my little thing. So yeah, I'm not saying it's right. I'm not saying it's wrong. I'm just saying this is how I do it. But yeah, guys. So this is how I did my little setup, guys. If you're somebody who struggles with just so much on your plate and having so much to do, you need these screens. Like, I didn't know I needed these screens until my job gave me a computer that had the double screen. And then I'm just like, yo, I could love this at home. So I brought it to my home because that's why I get the most work done is in my house. And yeah, I love it. I recommend it, especially with the stand-up desk. Like, you can't go wrong with the stand-up desk and the 2 monitors. Like, it's impossible to go wrong with that. But yeah, guys, this is my little office setup. This is where all the magic happens to give y'all the videos that need to be given, to give y'all that delivery, that special delivery. Yeah. So yeah, if you have any questions, please comment down below. I will definitely answer it, try my best. And I appreciate you guys for watching this video. If you like this type of content, please subscribe to my channel because y'all just been showing me so much love. And I just want to say thank you so much for supporting me. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Let's cheerio to another video.